In this video, we're talking about the Ego LM1914ESP. This is Ego's newest version of something that has traditionally been one of our most popular cordless lawnmowers, the Ego LM1914ESP. This is a 47cm or 19-inch self-propelled lawnmower with variable speed. It's primarily a bagging lawnmower, but there is an optional mulch kit available so you can mulch with it too. It's a bit of a versatile piece of kit too because you can get a roller for it. So while it's just a four-wheeled machine in its base form, you can buy an additional roller to put on the back and get more of a defined striped finish. This machine, like pretty much all Ego machinery, uses their 56-volt battery system, which is an excellent battery system. It's plenty of power, and Ego's patented arc-shaped design on their batteries spreads heat over the cells in a way that means that they've got a longer service life and a longer runtime than typical other batteries of the same size and power. Even though it's a relatively large machine, this is a fantastically easy machine to store because it folds up in seconds and takes up hardly any space at all. I'll show you now. First, you can retract the telescopic handlebars. Then operate this lever and pull the handles over. Let them click into place. Take off the box. And then you can stand the machine on its end. So something I really like about this lawnmower is that Ego have really thought about the advantages that they have of making a cordless lawnmower from scratch. Unlike some other brands which have made a great cordless lawnmower, but all they've really done is put a cordless motor onto a petrol chassis, and it's really not taking advantage of the fact that it's not a petrol engine. While we've got the machine up on its end, we can see how thick the material at the side of the deck is. Now, some people worry about getting a heavy-duty machine with a plastic deck, but actually it's all just bonuses. Not only will it not corrode or rust over time like steel might do, it's actually maybe 3 or 4 times the thickness of a steel deck on the average pedestrian lawnmower, so that's going to take a lot of punishment. While we've got it up, you can also see that where the blade is mounted, there's a fan just above it, and that really assists the bagging performance as well, so it's an excellent collecting mower. Now we've got the machine set back up, let's just talk generalities. So you've got 7 heights of cut, which are adjusted by a central height of cut lever down here. And you've also got 10 different forward drive speeds, which are adjusted with this dial on handlebars here. And it just clicks through all those different speeds nicely. So you can adjust it while you're on the go. And another benefit of the machine being a cordless machine designed from the ground up is it doesn't rely on being belt driven because it doesn't need to transfer power from the engine to a gearbox. Instead, it means we can engage the drive completely independent of the blades. So if you don't want to push your machine to the lawn, you don't have to. You can have it drive there. Starting is also incredibly easy as well. You don't have to worry about a recoil starter. You just push this button on the top of the handlebars and then pull in the operator presence control lever. Speaking of the operator presence control, this is where the main difference in this model is from its previous incarnation, as the facelift that Ego has given it pretty much just applies to the controls at the top. They've made it slightly more ergonomic because the OPC lever actually goes pretty much entirely into a groove at the bottom of the handlebars, so it's a little bit more comfortable to grip than the old one was. Not that that was uncomfortable to grip, but it is an improvement. And then also you've just got this LED display that's at your fingertips so you can see exactly what's happening with the machine. It's got sort of its status lights. It'll tell you if there's any error or if the battery's overheating or if the battery's low. You've got a coloured LED indicator to indicate that. You've also got some blade speed adjustment. So this is a new feature on this model. So not only can you manually adjust the blade speed, so you've got 3 settings, Eco, 1 and 2. So if you want to save your battery and you've not got very thick grass to cut through, you can put it on Eco. But if you need the most power, you can put it up to a higher speed. But the motor will automatically adjust the blade speed according to the load it's meeting. So if you have got it on a lower cut speed, but you encounter some thicker grass, it will up the revs accordingly. And finally, as with every Ego lawnmower, you've got the most essential feature of all, the LED headlights. While this model is available on its own, the most likely way you're going to purchase it is as a kit. So this is supplied as a kit with a 6 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. And that is also a slight increase over the last incarnation of this machine where you only got a 5 amp hour battery, so you're getting an even better deal this time. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and leave us a comment if you've got any questions. We love to see your comments, we love to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this.